आर्ट केज मैं से तपन अगर तुम बहुत अच्छी तरीके से ड्राइंग सीखना चाहते हो इजी एंड स्टेप वे थे सो ये वीडियो आज आपको बहुत हेल्प करेंगे। आज मैं सिखाएंगे 5 डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स वाटर कलर का स्टेप बाय स्टेप। अगर आप फ्यूचर्स में बहुत अच्छा प्रोफेशनल आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहते हो वाटर कलर में तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत फायदेमंद होगा। तो चलो लेट्स गो ड्राइव इट।
Next 5 minutes, huh? You are draw with me. So in this 5 minutes, we are finishing this drawing. Okay. So let's start. We are doing quick sketch, huh? Quick sketch with me. Quick sketch with me. Quick landscapes. Okay. Okay, we are both are taking time, just 5 to 7 minutes maximum. Huh? We are spending time with this drawing. So you're getting ideas how to create this very first drawing and how to create the first draw. Okay, this is some house of this area is something something called this area hilly area. Okay, so this house are making it in top of the mountain brick. Okay, this is all. Okay, so my drawing is almost finished. I make it in middle. I draw something very short strands and make it something stone over here. So for very lightly I can make some mountain. Okay. First, the drawing is done. Okay, and here I'm creating one characters. Small characters are walking around nearby this house. Okay, see, the drawing is very simple. Okay, see, the drawing is very simple. So we are just going to take this color. Okay. I just using the big brush for the. I can take this random colors one on it. So I take this. See this random colors. I using this. First and how to create the nice colors. Okay, not only first make the nice colors. I did use the Prussian blue and a little bit black, French ultramarine blue and black. Okay. Make this. Okay, it just makes something. The colors. Okay, this paper is like this. draw this line. Make this color line. And just make something. Make this Prussian blue here. Okay, just randomly I can use colors. Okay, some white strokes also I'm giving over there. Okay, here I just make this brown. Okay, very first we have a just few minutes, so I can even this I also try to just draw them very fast. Okay, so how you can learn. Okay, first drawing. Okay, I just take the black and brown with the red. Get the line. Okay, I just make the dark colors here. See here. Okay. Here I can make it little Prussian blue, because here this tone. Okay, make some Prussian blue and brown. Okay, here randomly sketching colors. Here, just put it the dark color over here. Even this. Make the lights color, very light color, first tones, kind of. Okay, all over the drawing. Okay, I just make this very light. Strokes. Stone. Okay, how create your drawing? Very soft watercolor. Okay, this how to create your drawing is very soft and looks very crazy when you are make it second tone, third tone nicely. Okay, all tone are very important over here. Third tone, second tone, first tone. Okay, you maybe draw first, but it should be all tone should be there. Then it looks visible. It looks amazing. Okay, I just creating this landscapes. This is the wooden house. This house made with the wooden, and I created the structure on it, the wooden structures. When is any house is made with the wooden, usually in the hill area, house making with the wooden, because it's it's available rather than the taking this cement or this other materials. It is not available that much, but in jungle, okay, it available in the tree, right? So aram se you can create the nice tree house, and it is also very this is nature friendly. Okay, so I visit the lots of this Gao. I just visited all those village where the whole house is making with the wooden only, making with wooden, and it's really very very nice. I personally stay in the villa, or it's called this homestay. This is few homestay is too really too good. I just almost finished this drawing. More 1 minute. I hope you guys understand that. I want to share you here. The drawing is not only a painting. It's a give some messages. I use a perspective with this drawing. Perspectives line I'm using over here. Lots of perspective lines I'm using. Okay, and I draw this whole drawings, like in details. I just want to share with these parts mostly. More. सुनीता वो बाथरूम ना सैटरडे संडे में तीनों बाथरूम यूज़ करना, वो स्टूडेंट्स लोग सब जाता है, ये बाथरूम भी जाता है, वो बाथरूम अरे तो मैं यूज़ ही करता हूँ, ये तो करेंगे सैटरडे संडे में इसको करना है. सो स्टूडेंट जाके ना फिर वापस आ जाते सर बहुत गंदा है. हाँ नहीं, सैटरडे संडे करना. मैंने यूजुअली यूज़ नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन सैटरडे संडे ये दोनों यूज़ करते, इसको करना ही करना. क्लीन को पेरेंट्स लोग का बोलेगा तो हाइजीनिक नहीं है. ऊपर वाला करना, क्योंकि वो ना वो वहाँ पे वो आशोला आ जाता है, तो स्टूडेंट्स लोग डर जाते हैं, क्योंकि वहाँ पे यूज़ नहीं होता ना. सैटरडे संडे यूज़ होता तो एक बार क्लीन हो जाएगा. सैटरडे भी हो गया, संडे तो वो आशोला नहीं रहेगा. मेरा बेटी तो जाता ही नहीं है, लेकिन वो स्टूडेंट लोग तो पैसे देकर सीखता है. अगर वो घर में जाके बोलेगा सर का घर में आशोला है तो अच्छा नहीं है. So almost finished this drawing, guys. I hope that you understand that how I'm making this very simple drawings on it, and I hope that you guys enjoy this sessions and you try to learn this and draw at home. Arya is there, Shantushti is there. I hope other students are here there. So if you want to share your drawing, you just share me. So I just take it out and then go to for the lunch. Santushti, Anush, want to share your drawing? Or Aradha beta, can you share your drawing? If you wish to share, can just share me. Before I leave. So the time now is over. It's 3 o'clock. So on time I finished this drawing. I hope you also finish, all of you. Okay, so in you can see this is this kind of I see this in this heel area. You can see this kind of stick. I see this is, so it looks more giving this mountaineers they believe something, God, or thank you so much. I hope to enjoy the class, and I'm sharing this video as well, so make something birds here and there. Okay, so how to create the watercolors, nice watercolors, learn how to learn it. I step by step share you, and if any doubts you have, it's just questions, I just answered and then go. Anybody any doubts? Santushti, Aradhya, Adrita, Alina. This is other sides are okay. Thank you so much. I hope that you
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my video, please subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you.